Starting your fitness journey can feel overwhelming. There's so much advice out there, it's hard to know what's actually helpful. But if I could go back to day one, I'd do a few key things very differently. So in this video, I'm sharing the beginner tips I wish someone gave me when I started. Let's get into it. One of the biggest mistakes I made? Waiting for the perfect plan. I kept thinking I needed the best routine, the best diet, the best timing. And while I was overthinking, I was wasting time. What really matters is just starting, even if it's not perfect. Pick a basic workout. Start small. You'll get better as you go. In the beginning, I tried to lift heavy way too soon. Honestly, I just wanted to look strong. But it backfired, I hurt my shoulder, and my progress slowed down. If I could start again, I'd focus on learning proper form first, even with light weights. One thing that helped? Watching myself in a mirror. You'd be surprised how many small mistakes you catch just by doing that. Here's something I didn't realize when I started. Your muscles don't grow in the gym, they grow from what you eat. I used to train super hard, but I wasn't eating nearly enough. Especially not enough protein. If you're serious about building muscle, just try to include protein in every meal, something simple like eggs, chicken, or even Greek yogurt. It makes a big difference over time. I used to think I needed pre-workouts, BCAAs, fat burners, all that stuff. Truth is, you really don't. If your meals are solid and you're consistent with your training, that's 90% of the work. Supplements are optional. If you ever decide to try anything, keep it basic, like protein powder or creatine. But honestly, you can go far without spending a dime on them. When I started, I checked the scale every morning. And it messed with my head. Weight goes up and down for so many reasons, it doesn't always reflect real progress. What helped me more? Taking weekly progress photos and writing down my workouts. You'll see the small changes better, and it keeps you motivated. Motivation comes and goes. Some days, you'll feel pumped. Other days, not so much. And that's totally normal. But what really matters is showing up even when you don't feel like it. Even a short, 10-minute workout counts. Build the habit first. The motivation will follow. I wasted a lot of time comparing myself to people online, shredded influencers, perfect physiques. But that stuff isn't real life. Everyone's journey is different. Instead of comparing yourself to others, just aim to be a little better than yesterday. That's real progress. If I could start all over again, I'd keep it simple. Show up. Eat real food. Focus on getting stronger, not just looking a certain way. And I'd stop chasing shortcuts. Because lasting results take time, but they're 100% worth it. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. If this video gave you clarity or motivation, hit that like button, it helps a lot. And if you're just getting started, drop a comment below and type **day 1** so I can cheer you on. Don't forget to subscribe for simple, honest fitness advice every week.